Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to put up Helenium autumnale from Derry. It was sold to Lidl as a cheap version. And we're going to put up another peony. It's called Highlight, which is a very nice dark red purple flowered peony. So, as I said earlier, peonies come in all forms and shapes, and this one has a lot of nice buds, but I'm going to plant it this way because I'm not going to be able to dig this deep. And you can see that peonies are rooting already, and only the snowdrops are flowering now, so they are very early perennials. And I already prepared my potting mix, which is coir and some long-lasting fertilizer, and I'm just going to put it up lightly and allow the buds to be free. It's not going to be nice because it will be on sideways on this pot, but I'm going to repot this and plant it in the garden in autumn when it should be planted. Now this other plant is called Helenium autumnale, and it's a bare-rooted perennial, and I was able to buy it fresh because we just had a new discount and they advertised it in the catalog, and so I bought one. Oh dear, I used the wrong pot. Well, this happens all the time. So it's a very nice perennial, and it usually flowers in the second half of summer, from July to August up until September, when it's still nice and warm. And you can see that it's already sprouting. And this is a one bud perennial, and there's a little Dutch sand in there, but it's alright. And I'm just going to plant it like this, and I will allow the plant to grow big in this pot, and I will divide it in late autumn or next early spring. And I will add this peat, which is still moist. So this will be a nice plant this year. So if you like my content, you can like and subscribe and leave a comment, and thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.